Hello everyone, myself Anjali Jain. Today I will tell you about how to prepare patient in the CT scan. See, there are two procedures, contrast procedures and non-contrast procedure. So if the patient comes to you for the non-contrast procedure, you have to check the prescription paper for the correct identity number, patient name, age and other factors. And also you have to check the prescription, what procedure is written on the prescription paper, and you have to proceed according to that. Now you will remove the metallic content from the specific body part, the part of interest. You will ask them to remove the jewelry and the metallic content, and if required you have to make them change into hospital gown. See, likewise shown in the figure. Then you have to take the history of the patient properly. Taking history includes what medication he is on or she is already on, and what medication she or he is taking for how much time, and what the medical condition he is suffering from. And you have, in case of female patient, you have to ask their LMP. LMP means last menses period date, to avoid the chances of pregnancy and any case of negligence, because in case of pregnancy you can't give radiation. So this is a contraindicated thing, but usually female patient don't know their last menses period, so you have to ask them if they are on regular periods or not, what was the last LMP, so to avoid such cases. Now when you will take the history, patient must be positioned head first or the feet first, according to the procedure. For the upper parts above the pelvic area, means your head, your chest, your abdomen, will be positioned head first, like this. See, head is towards the gantry, so this is head first position. When your body goes inside and your head remains outside, this is feet first position. Okay, so for the lower extremity imaging, ankle imaging, foot imaging, thigh images, all these imaging will include the feet first position. Okay, so when the procedure will be done, you have to return the prescription paper and billing paper, and you have to tell them when they will get the report. And for the for the contrast procedure, protocol varies, because in this you have to check the prescription and also the KFT report. KFT reports include KFT report means kidney function test report. This is also known as RFT report, serum creatinine test report. And in this you have to check the urea and creatinine level, if it is normal or not. If it is normal, then you will ask the patient to have 4 hours fasting, in which he does not have to take any meal, coffee, tea, juice, milk, etc. Only water should be consumed. This is example of KFT report. See here, here is written blood urea, so you have to see this value if this is within this range, and you have to check the serum creatinine value. So you have to check these two value for a must. Okay, after that, if it is normal, then you will load the contrast according to patient's weight. You will ask the patient, you will fill the consent form. Consent form requires all the detail and also the signature of the patient. After that, you will fill the you will ask the patient that what is their age, what is their weight. So according to the weight and the procedure, you have to fill the contrast in this pressure injector. Okay, and also cannula will be inserted if it is angiography procedure or procedure that needs fast flow. So a green cannula can be inserted, and for the rest procedures like simple CECT abdomen and CECT brain, pink cannula can be used. See how it is inserted, here it is shown. If the patient, when the patient is on fasting, then you have to check the consent form if it is properly filled, and you have to ask compulsorily for the allergy, if they have any allergy, previous allergy from anything, any medication or any food. Okay, and you have to mention it on that. and you have to decide whether the procedure will be done. If it is a major issue of allergy, then you will give dose of the contrast according to that. When the procedure will be done, then patient may feel nausea, so you have to tell them this thing when you will make the consent form sign. So before the procedure you have to tell them, so they may not feel discomfort. Okay, and after the scan is done, observe them for 20 to 25 minutes to avoid any allergy reaction, because if any allergy reaction occurs, it will occur within 1 hour, or especially 20 to 25 minutes. You will see if the patient is having any allergy like rashes or something, swelling on the body part. And when the procedure will be done, patient will wait for 20 to 25 minutes, and after that you will have to tell them that they have to take more fluids for that day. They have to consume more fluids like juice, water and other fluids for that particular day. Okay, this is essential to make kidney better filtration, and also it is good for the patient. So thank you, this was the topic of the day. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye.